For today's video, we will discuss which is better, Phemex or Kucoin. So let's begin. Alright, so basically these are both prominent platforms in the cryptocurrency space, are one of the best, but they offer different services and cater to a slightly different audiences. Say for example, Phemex. I'm more comfortable using Phemex, right? Because it offers a lot of perpetual contracts for various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. And it's known for its user-friendly interface and features designed for active traders like me. And for one, their perpetual contracts has a lot of leverage options. And for quick trade execution, it is known for its fast order execution with low latency. And Phemex provides trading tools and features such as the stop loss and take profit and conditional orders. Mind you, these are advanced tools that traders love. Also, Phemex offers a referral program that rewards users for inviting others to the platform. Now, traders interested in leverage trading and robust trading platform will focus on a futures trading, and they might prefer Phemex over Kucoin, but that doesn't mean Phemex is better, because Kucoin is a more diverse cryptocurrency exchange offering a wide range of services, including spot trading, margin trading, staking, lending, and more. And it aims to provide a comprehensive ecosystem for cryptocurrency traders and investors. Now, some of the known features are like the spot trading, because it allows users to trade various cryptocurrencies against each other. For example, from BTC to ETH. And it also provides services beyond trading, such as staking, lending, and an extensive range of listed tokens. Now, users, the Kucoin shares or the KCS, users holding Kucoin's native token, the KCS, can benefit from discounts on trading fees and other incentives. But, you know what, to be frankly honest, choosing between Phemex and Kucoin depends on your specific needs as a trader or investor. And if you're more inclined towards leverage trading and derivatives, Phemex here might be a better fit. On the other hand, if you prefer a diverse range of services like Kucoin's broader ecosystem, well, Kucoin might suit you better. But always consider factors like security, fees, available assets, and ease of use when selecting a platform for your cryptocurrency activities. And that's it for today's video. Which is better, Phemex or Kucoin? I leave that decision to you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.